online classes. This is class 6 ICSE chemistry. In the last classes we have discussed development of chemistry, a historical perspective. So what is alchemy, then what is alchemist, we have discussed. So today we will discuss notable chemist. So please open on page 3. Chemist, we are a scientist engaged in chemical research or experiments. Okay, so this chemist, we are a scientist, we are engaged in chemical research or experiment. Let us study about some famous scientists and their contribution to chemistry. So now let us study the scientists. So what they have contributed to the chemistry. So first one is Antoine Lavoisier. Okay, so Antoine Laurent de Lavoisier, also called Antoine Lavoisier, is considered the father of modern chemistry. Okay, he is considered as a father of modern chemistry. Lavoisier is credited for discovering the role of oxygen in combustion. Okay, this Lavoisier, what he has credited, he has discovered oxygen in combustion. Okay, he also gave the law of conservation of mass. So he also gave the law, that is law of conservation of mass, that states that mass is neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. So mass we cannot create or we cannot destroy this taking the help of chemical reaction. So Lavoisier also named oxygen and hydrogen. Now you can see this is a law of conservation of mass. This picture you can see how the reaction is. This is the some of the things they have kept here. So after that, here they are heating this. They are making a test. Okay, so they are heating, and this heated things, how it is reaction is going on. So this is the law of conservation of mass. This is picture. Okay, then this also we can see, this is also a law of conservation of mass, how this the atoms are it is added with two atoms, how it is a reaction and it is producing new atoms. Okay, so this is the law of conservation mass. Okay, so now let us come to the second point, that is Dmitry Mendeleev. So Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev was the first scientist who formulated the modern periodic table of elements. Okay, he formulated the modern periodic table of elements. Okay, Mendeleev used the table to predict the existence and properties of new chemical elements. Okay, he predicted this. Mendeleev predicted the new chemical elements. Okay, this you can see the modern periodic table of elements. Okay, this is periodic table of elements, how it is arranged in systematic way, and you can see one more. See how it is arranged in systematic way. This is called modern periodic table of elements. Okay, these elements are how it is mentioned in short form, and you can see this is the modern periodic table of the elements, long form. This is okay. This is the picture. Now let us come John Dalton. Okay, he is the famous scientist. Let us see about him. John Dalton is credited for proposing the modern atomic theory. He also gave the law of multiple proportion and the law of partially pressures. Okay, so now we have to know that this John Dalton is the famous for modern atomic theory. Okay, this is the picture of, you see, the modern atomic theory. Okay, so it is as a result of recent advance in chemistry, Dalton's atomic theory. Okay, this is, see the picture, and this is one more. You can see now. This is the picture. This is modern atomic theory. Then this could, you can see how it is modern atomic theory. Then this modern atomic theory, how it is mentioned. This is the picture. So this is the modern atomic theory. Protons, then nuclears, then neutrons, then electrons, how it is mentioned, it is given the picture. So today we will study this much. Then next class we will be studying thirst for knowledge. So thank you for watching this video.